Got to give the people what they want. Fast version. Bass here. About to do a video. It's going to be a very short one. It's basically going to be 2 practice problems for you to do. And you probably should try to get them right. So, go ahead and put factoring practice problems in your notebook. Problem letter A says 5x squared minus 48b minus 20. First thing I want you to do right now, draw your area model box and fill in the 2 places that you know. Cool, you just did that. You drew this area model box and you said, oh, I know that this is a 5x squared and I know this is a negative 20. Excellent. Second thing that I want you to do is tell me the answer to these 2 questions. Box 2 times box 3 equals what? And box 2 plus box 3 equals what? Fill those 2 things in. Cool. You just did that. And you knew that box 2 times box 3 should be the same as whatever 5 times negative 20. Remember, this is box 2, this is box 3. Whatever 5 times negative 20 is, which is negative 100, I believe. And box 2 plus box 3, when I add these 2 together, I should get this middle term. So it must be negative 48. Excellent. Now you've done that. Set up your x problem. Boom. You have a negative 100 on top and a negative 48 on, that's a terrible looking 8, negative 48 on the bottom. Excellent. Now go ahead and fill in that x problem. Cool. You just did that, and I don't know, 100 divided by 2 is 50. Ooh, 2 and 50. 2, 50. I need a negative 48, so I need negative 50. Negative 2 times, or 50 times, blah. Negative 50 times 2 is negative 100. Negative 50 plus 2 is negative 48. So what do I now know? I know that one of these boxes says negative 50x, and one of these boxes says negative 48x. Now for the last... Anybody figure out what my mistake was? Totally made a rookie mistake. Where was it? Cool. You should have seen that the mistake was right here. This negative 48 should not have been here. This should have been what? That's right. Should have been a 2x. Now this bad boy makes a lot more sense. 1 times what equals 2, and that becomes a 2. And 2 times negative 10 is negative 20. Cool. So then what is my final factorization of this equal? You write your final answer, or you check it. I'm going to say x minus 10 times 5x plus 2. Booyah. There you go. All right. Only one more problem. Guys are holding it down for me. Let's go, let's go, let's go. It says, oh, let's go. Did we do a 5 last time? Let's do a 2. 2x squared plus 5x plus 2. Oh, this one's going to be easy. You know what? You just do the whole thing. And mark your final answer. Cool. You just did that. Now I'm going to do it. So, I do this. I get 2x squared here. I get 2 here. I know that box 2 times 3 has to equal 4. And I know that box 2 plus box 3 has to equal 5. So I know that I have a 4 here and a 5 here. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 plus 4 is 5. 1x, 4x. Here's my area model puzzle. If I put a 2 here, 2 times 1 is 2, but 2 times nothing is 1. So I'm guessing I'm going to put a 2 here. 2x, 1x. 1 times 2 is 2. X times x is x squared. 2 times something has to equal 4. It seems like that is a 2. 2 times 2 is 4 with an x. 1 times something needs to equal 1. That must be a 1. 1 times 1 is 1. And this leaves me with my x. And then here, 1 times 2 is 2. I did my area model puzzle, so my final answer ends up being 2x plus 1 and 1x plus 2. That's it. Keeping this fresh in your mind. You guys are factoring champions. Chief 1 won't lose until you choose what you want because you don't retreat. Run him over like a truck and leave him dead in the street. You invite me and Titan to a battle. Why? I got your respect because I got it made. I'm out.